Wondering how AI reads and understands text? It's all about tokenization. Tokenization is like breaking down a Lego set. Instead of one big block, AI splits text into tiny pieces called tokens. These tokens can be words, subwords, or even characters. Why? Because smaller pieces make it easier for AI to understand context and meaning. Imagine reading a book where every sentence is a puzzle. Tokenization helps AI solve this puzzle piece by piece. It's the foundation of natural language processing, or NLP, and large language models, or LLMs. Without it, your smart assistant or chatbots wouldn't be half as clever. So next time you're chatting with a bot or using a translation app, remember tokenization is the unsung hero, making it all possible. Stay tuned for full insights on tokenization in our upcoming video, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Catch you in the next video.